All right, welcome back. Hopefully you had a great weekend. This week in PCM, you have your test for Unit 6. So the review for that will be posted today on Monday. You can also look for the review video where I go through the problems step by step. In addition, we'll have a help session on Tuesday and Wednesday at 10 a.m. Again, you can use the password PCM Kosanki. That'll log you in to the Google Meets at that point. So again, if you have questions on the review or anything else, 10 a.m. on Tuesday and Wednesday. The test will be posted Wednesday afternoon from 3 to 11 p.m. So you make sure you download it then, and your test is due on Thursday by 7 p.m. So again, test review Monday and Tuesday, video sessions Tuesday, Wednesday. Test will be posted Wednesday afternoon. Test is due Thursday by 7 p.m. Friday is a catch-up day, so if you're missing any homework, whether it was review worksheets or other homework assignments, get those done, get those submitted to me. All right, take care. Have a good week.